What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to cut these Ford high security remote keys using the Xhorse Dolphin key cutter. I'm making this video because it is very easy to mess up these keys. And I'm going to show you a very important step on how to avoid that right here. This plastic guard right there, that's going to hit the remote when it measures the key. Now, I don't know if this was an oversight or what, but if you take this end, this will swivel, and then you've got a longer end on this side that just pops down. Slides off there, and then you'll be good to decode your key. So this is a spare key we're doing. I'm going to go over to my key tool and we'll show you how that's done. So we're going to go to find bidding. We're going to go over to Ford. We're looking for the HU 101 10 cuts. Now we want our M2 clamp A side. This is our M2 clamp, the A side right there, and it's asking for that first line for our tip stop. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and we will hit decode key. So let's hit continue, show you what the machine's doing. Okay, so if everything went good, learn key success. These machines are very good if you have the spacing aligned wrong or the keys unbalanced. It's probably going to tell you. So what we're going to do now is switch over to our key to be cut. Unscrew that here. Now what we're looking for is that first groove. That's our tip spot. Try to get some focus in there. There we go. That's our new key lined up. Remember, no plastic guard. So we've got our cuts there. Now we'll go to cut key. So this will count up to 100%, and if it detects a problem, it'll stop. I'm going to show you the machine now. Alright guys, that's one side done. If you couldn't tell from the video, definitely wear your eye protection, or these shavings can get everywhere quick. So go ahead and switch this key over to the other side. Put the phone down here for a second. Make sure we're nice and lined up, that there's no movement in our key. And then we will go back to the key tool, hit cut again. Alright you guys, so that's how it's done. These Xhorse machines work great. This is for an F150. We're going to go ahead and program it into the car now. That'll be another video. Let's go ahead and look out for that. Thanks for your time.